Hey everyone, so this is my review on Heroes Reborn Season 1, Episode 7, called June 13th, Part 1. And basically what this episode is about is Noah and Hero team up and go back in time to the events that happened on June 13th that set all the chaos with the Evos in motion. And Mohinder receives a mysterious message from Angela Petrelli about Erica's motives. And Mr. Emoto has a bit of trouble against Hero. And this was a really good episode with a lot of twists and turns to it. Hero and Noah go back in time on June 13th to try and save Claire and stop the event that happened on June 13th. But they end up doing that with not a lot of success because of what Hero calls butterflies, and they don't want to interfere with the timeline too much. The connection that they made in this episode between Tommy and Melinda, I really wasn't expecting at all. And I'm still trying to wrap that around my head for how it could happen and how they did it to make it happen. I also wasn't expecting Mr. Emoto to be as bad as a guy as he is. And I'm really kind of surprised at how well Phoebe can stretch her shadow over a mass amount of area to stop all the other Evos from being able to use their powers. But most of the other things that happened in this episode that I haven't talked about yet, you kind of already knew from the episodes previous about what was going on and stuff. So it was a bit boring because it was just showing what they've already told you. But overall, I really enjoyed this episode and I can't wait to see part 2. So yeah, that's my review on Heroes Reborn Season 1, Episode 7, called June 13th, Part 1. So yeah, bye!